Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Alvi Sumili Abilo, 31 years old, married. I have two kids, a 4 years old and 10 years old. I am from Maranding, Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I have been working experience in a beauty salon for 5 years and 1 year as a promodizer. But currently, I am working now as a household worker here in the Philippines. There are 4 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 children. 3 years old and 6 years old. My main duties there is to take good care of the children. I prepare them food and send them to school. I do also household chores like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, and also cooking. Mom, sir, if you are willing to hire me, I will promise I will do my best to do my job. And I will promise I will love your children as my own. I am hardworking mom, trustworthy, honest, and responsible. You can contact me on Helper's Library. Thank you and God bless.